watch Wicked Tuna, Alan?
Oh yeah.
Those guys are crazy, huh? F***ing Googans are out.
They're always yelling and screaming at each other.
Hey, you want to meet me at the dock? We can settle it at the dock.
I enjoyed that show.
Can you believe how much money they get paid for that shit?
10 grand a pop.
I'd do it.
I know. You only need a couple of fish and you have a good day.
Yeah.
You catch 2 in a day, I think they're real happy.
Oh god, yeah. You guys like that tuna.com?
Tuna.com?
Yeah, Dave.
I can't remember which one's that.
That's the guy that's pretty damn good.
Oh yeah,
I like his
yeah.
intensity.
And everybody hates him. And Terry goes, you know, he's kind of a dick. I go, no, he's not. He
just
just
intense.
goes. I go, he goes an extra mile.
Yeah.
I like
Oh,
when
look
they-
at that.
Oh, Jesus.
Double
Harmony.
Oh,
Rojos.
okay. I got my bait plane.
Not a good place to be around the corner today.
Throw me a sticker and I'll take you on the ride. That's why when I asked you, bigger fish, bigger fish. Oh, he went to your bait?
Oh, look at that. Oh.
I know. I dropped down and hit me on the swing. Yeah. Yeah, we went to a little capture them there. Thought we were going to miss him completely. I missed him. Yeah, we didn't hit the needle. Well, some of us did. Oh. Yeah, some of us did, Alan. That was awesome. Oh, this guy's fucking ripping the line on me.
Okay, I just gonna have a lot of slack when I get to the buoy or I can't maneuver here.
This one almost feels like a ring or something. This is like dead meat. That's what I thought. But it's not really good. This one has no head shape. I think I know what I got here. What do you got? Got to call it. Call it. Oh, well. What do you got? I think I got a lean cut. Oh, he's barely hooked, dude. Oh, shit. Oh! They're biting, boys. Just stand next to me. You know what you're gonna do? You gotta go like this.
Yeah, you got to do Wicked Tuna, dude.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh! Your dog pin's gone.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, your dog pin's gone. Oh, you're good now. You're good now. You have another reel?
Yeah,
Ooh, that's a big roll. 2 roll holes. No wonder that reel broke. Wow, those are big, dude. Whoa! Those are monsters! Oh! Whoa! Okay, we're done.
Done?
That reel's done.
Oh, the reel's done, okay. got one Scotty? I'm not even sure what
Roger,
I
level.
got. Oh, I think I just got two big reds. Got a couple reds.
I'll let you put the gas back because I can't reach it. I can barely reach it.
Oh, nice one, dude.
You know our nice ones?
You mean I'm the only one that came up with one? That's because you talk shit at the beginning. God damn.
Oh, two more nice ones.
Those are nice ones. That thing almost looks like a cow cut. It's so big.
Let's put this. Oh, put the. Damn, that's some big reds today.
Let's go back on that spot, Batman. I think we better leave it alone. We don't want to damage it. Kidding.
Oh, that's the
I heard Skipper say it.
Roger, inline. Great work.
I think the bike's turning on or something.
Okay, let's go to the inside now. Those are some of the biggest reds we've caught out here.
Those are the better ones.
You hit him again, Tony. We missed out.
I ain't saying shit.
That is on too.
Oh!